That was one of CN's Brandt Hi-Rail trucks towing 4 CN gondolas with a material handling excavator sitting on top of one of them. The maintenance way crew has been working their way west, picking up lengths of rail along the right-of-way in prep for another summer of track work. The equipment was likely in the siding at Summit for when 121 came along earlier this morning. They made a stop just west of Longley to pick up a couple lengths of rail and then continued west past Wapski. Following signal indications and on to Plaster Rock. And after making a brief stop at Plaster Rock, they would disappear out of view and could be heard stopping and picking up some more rail. We hope you enjoyed this brief look at cleaning up along the Napadogan Sub. Thank you for watching, and while we have posted some photos of this equipment before, we'll post a few more in the post section of the channel, so check them out. Till we meet for the next fun adventures with the Rail Fanning crew, stay safe and have a wonderful time. Cheers!